Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can set up the parental control on Nintendo Switch. So what you need to do is go to the system settings, and then you need to go to parental controls, and then go to parental controls control settings. Now over here we will be informed that you need to download the app for your device, for your smartphone, for instance for your Android phone or your iPhone, whatever. And you can get it on Google Play or the App Store. You can also decide to not use the app, and you can press X in order to choose if you don't have a smart device. So first let's do that. Let's choose you don't have the smart device, and if you do so you will be informed that you will not be able to set the daily playtime limit, you will not be able to set the bedtime alarm, and you will not be able to check playtime and games played. So it is quite convenient if you want to take a look at what your child is playing on Nintendo Switch, what he does all the time. It is quite necessary to actually get the app on your smartphone. So let's do that. Since this is way easier to do so, you simply need to follow the instructions over here in order to set up the parental controls, but we will use the app. So first of all we have to go to like I said, the Google Play or the App Store in order to find the Nintendo Switch app. Now since I am using Android, I'm gonna go to the Play Store and I'm gonna search for Nintendo Switch Parental Controls, and then choose this one over here and then install it. Once you install it, we can open it, and then let's start. Over here we don't have to send the data, that is not necessary. And now we need to sign in to the Nintendo account, or we need to create one if we don't have any. So let's create an account. We will open this page over here, and if you already have an account, then of course you can select the account. If not, then you can sign in with a different Nintendo account, and if we go here, then we can also sign out. And if you don't have any account, if this is your first time that you see this screen or this page, then of course you will need to create your Nintendo account. So let's choose create a Nintendo account. Now over here you can decide to log in with your Google account. Over here you also can sign up using your Apple account if you have one, to do this more quickly. On the other hand, if you prefer to create your account manually, then you can scroll down and then you will find these options over here to fill in these fields. So you will need to enter your nickname, your email address, you need to enter your password, date of birth, gender, country, and your time zone. And then you need to tick this box over here and to acknowledge that you have read the privacy policy and so on and so forth. And after that you can press continue. Then you will need to verify your email. You will be given a code which you will need to enter on your smartphone. So since I already have my own account, I'm gonna select my account and then I'm gonna proceed on the app. Now you will see this window over here, so let's press next. You need to have your Nintendo Switch nearby. And then you will see this registration code which you need to enter on your Switch. So let's go back to Switch. And now over here, what we can do is press OK, since you already have downloaded the app. So let's move forward. Then we need to enter the registration code, which was displayed on the screen, and then you need to enter the code. So let's do that. And then let's press OK. And after we enter the code on your device, on your smartphone, you will be notified that it was successfully connected. And over here on Nintendo Switch, you will find this option to link. So this is the pretty much final step to link your account. And then we can continue on our Android or iPhone. And this is what you should see, that you have successfully registered your Switch. So we can set the parental controls, or we can click later and do that later. I'm gonna choose set parental control. Now over here we can decide the daily limit for the playtime for your child. We have a bunch of different options. So let's say I'm gonna choose 2 hours. Then we can go next. Then we have the restriction level, where we can decide the restrictions. So let's say our child is actually a child, so let's choose child. And by doing so, many things, lots of content on Switch will be restricted. For instance, where we have the restricted software, it says that rated for ages 8+, PEGI plus BBFC for the UK. So this means that every software that is rated higher than 8+, for ages 8+, will not be accessible on the Switch. So once we choose, we can complete. And then we will see this information that the setup is complete. So let's press continue. And then over here, we will find the time plate. So everything that will happen on Switch will be displayed over here. We also have monthly summary. And we also have console settings, where we can manage the limits. On Switch, if you see this window over here, we can just press A in order to move forward. Then on our Switch, we will see this information that the console is linked to the Nintendo Switch Parental Control apps, and from now on, there are restrictions applied to this console. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.